Officials say Israel and Hamas have reached a Gaza ceasefire deal. Here are the main points of the proposed agreement. Initially, 33 Israeli hostages, including women, children, the elderly and wounded, would be set free. If all goes as planned, 16 days into the deal, talks would begin on returning the remaining hostages and the bodies of those who are dead. In return, Israel would free a large number of Palestinian prisoners, saying it'd be, quote, many hundreds. However, anyone who took part in the October 7, 2023 attack would not be released. Israel won't fully withdraw troops from Gaza until all the hostages have been returned. But there will be a phased pullback, with forces remaining at the borders to defend Israeli towns and villages there. Unarmed North Gaza residents would be allowed back, with a system preventing weapons from being moved to the area. The Rafah crossing between Egypt and Gaza would start to work, allowing the sick out of the enclave for treatment. There'd be a significant increase of aid to the Gaza Strip. The UN and other international agencies say the population is facing a severe humanitarian crisis. Israel does allow aid there, but there have been disputes over the amount permitted in. Who will run Gaza after the war is still unknown. It seems this issue was left out of the current proposal due to its complexity and would likely hold up a deal. Israel has said it won't end the war, leaving Hamas in power. It has also rejected the Palestinian Authority, the Western-backed body that exercises limited sovereignty in the occupied West Bank. The international community has said Gaza must be run by Palestinians, but efforts to find alternatives to the main factions have proved largely fruitless. There have been discussions between Israel, UAE and the US over a provisional administration that would run Gaza until a reformed Palestinian Authority can take charge.